Look at Gus.
Look at Gus. Oh God, look at the elephant.
What is wrong with her?
She got on her foot.
Oh. What's she doing?
Kara, what'd you do? No, don't break it.
Galloping goose.
Get back here.
Look at her running after you. You got her though. Smile, Kara.
Hey, no, that's no fair. Mimi don't have a coat. No, Mimi don't have a coat on.
Candace, will you come stand by her so I can get y'all's picture? And I'm going back there. Come here a second. I want their picture, and I can't get them to get together. Candace, please.
Okay, after I get my circle.
No, right now, because I'm going in. Come here, Kara. Stay right there. Candace, get there by Kara. Candace, get there by Kara. No, right out in the sun.
In the sun, baby. Please.
Please. Now, right there, Candace. Look here. Look at Mimi.
Kara.
Right there. Would y'all look up at me? You can stay down, but just look at me. Oh, that's good.
Look at Mimi. Kara. Kara Carr. Kara Grace. Get over there and look at your Mimi.
Look here, be still.
She can't. The sun's in her eyes.
One more. Get close together, like little snowballs. Get close together. This is a Kodak moment, or a Canon moment. Smile. Smile for me. Both of you cheese. Oh, that's precious. Except you can't see your face. That's as good as it's going to get. I got to get in the house.
You're making my circle.
Candace, there's a lot of snow out there.
But that was my snow.
Oh, she's really good. Man, you see how big that got?
Yeah.
Oh, you're talking too? I am making
You want
my own
gloves?
circle.
I'll get you my
My own
gloves.
snowman.
You want some gloves? What's she doing?
Kara just hit in the back of their hands with a snowball.
She's on me just like her daddy.
Uh-huh. Ah!
It looks like he's going to bed.
Who?
No picture.
Who?
Oh, I'll have to show you later.
It's too heavy, Daddy.
Okay, then make another one.
Honey, look at me. Just one time.
Ah!
Honey, look here.
That's mean.
Oh,
That's mean.
Candace, get up.
Oh, Candace, get up.
She can't. You want my gloves?
Uh-uh. I like gloves.
Jeff said he got driveway cleared off, and he's going to go check the road, but he said he just didn't know.
I don't want them on the road. Jennifer and Ron ain't sure they're going Tuesday.
I said, but don't come. I
Where'd you
said,
get those?
I borrowed one of them.
You stay out of those batons.
This is for this baby here.
Stay out.
I got it.
The baby is over there in the snow. They're playing with you.
Oh,
Gus!
there, Beavis.
He ain't coming, y'all.
Gus!
Come here, baby. Come here. Whoa.
What?
Wait. I know what I got you.
In your what? In your pants? Honey. Honey, that's not nice.
No,
I was need something.
Wait a minute. These pecans are not very good. These are Oklahoma pecans.
Woo!
I'll make the itty bitty one.
David said he was coming, but the roads are black ice. So he's not coming.
You need a big head.
The roads have got black ice on them.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, they're not coming. David, I called Jeff. He got the driveway cleared, but he's kind of scared. He said it's still a lot of ice up there. But he'd call back later on, so I think we ought to all stay home and build a fire and roast weenies and
Marshmallows.
make. If we got any Hershey's, we can make
S'mores.
some who?
S'mores?
S'mores?
S'mores.
S'mores.
Uh,
Yeah, we make some s'mores. Get some of them pine cones and make it some eyes. You like the pecans, don't you? Yeah? Aren't you glad I come? Yeah.
I'll get some.
I went and bought a pecan out of one of them sacks, but they're not that good. They're not as good as Sorrel pecans.
Wait, here.
It's not really bad, but, you know, it's not really warm either.
My hands are starting to freeze.
I'll go get some leaves.
Whoa! Did y'all just see that? A big old piece of snow just came off the house. Every time I move, they move.
Where'd you find that?
His arms up this way. You look like
And
Bear.
we already got him.
Bear.
Let's make him look like. I'll go get some ears.
Whoa! Did y'all hear that?
Can you find me?
Can you reach this and try pulling it down?
What? Which one?
Bicycle.
Hold on.